Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to find saved reels on Instagram. It is one very simple but quite maybe complicating option for some users. So today I will show you how to do it. Before we start, I hope that you are subscribed. If you are, we can continue. Click on Instagram, and when you find some reel, of course, you will I guess save it with these three dots and save. That's why you want to find it. Now, how do we find it? Go to our profile and click on the three lines in top right corner of the screen. First option that we see here is saved option. When we click on that, we have all posts and there is our reel. It is that easy, but I don't know why they have put it under these three lines, but you know, it's okay when you get the hang of it. Until next video, I wish you all the best, love your family, and bye.